Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SimpliSafe system settings with app-based exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the SimpliSafe app on your mobile device. Log into your SimpliSafe account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Locate the backup or export settings option. Tap on this option to begin the backup process. You may be prompted to confirm your action. Select Yes or Confirm to proceed with the export. The app will generate a backup of your system settings. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments. Upon completion, you'll receive a notification confirming the backup. You can choose to save the backup file to a secure location on your device. Make sure to label the backup file for easy reference. Consider uploading the backup to a cloud storage service for added security. Keep your backup file accessible, but ensure it's stored securely. Regularly update your backup after making changes to your system settings. This will ensure you always have the latest settings saved. Now your SimpliSafe system settings are safely backed up and ready to restore when needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.